it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today's video is a little different and I'm not quite sure how it's going to go, but we'll see. So I have got the brand new, released in the current catalogue, all-inclusive Big Plans Planner Kit. Now you can hopefully see if I catch the light on it. I've not opened it yet. This is completely unsullied and I promise you I haven't got a sneaky second box that I've opened already. This is the only one I have ordered because I'm not sure that I'm going to need more than two, although I can feel gifts coming on. Not everyone is creative. No, I'll rephrase that. Everyone's creative. Not everyone feels they're creative. So if you're looking for gifts for people who really aren't feeling creative, this may be a perfect gift. So, and it's a real bonus because you can start it at any time of the year, which is amazing. So let me grab, sorry, I'll just run over to the other side of the room because as ever, why would I ever practice things in advance? So in the catalogue, this appears on, I think it's after that, here we go, on page 10. It's only £34, which for a planner is amazing. And you can get a refill kit as well, so if you run out of pages and stuff like that, then you can get a refill. It includes all of what I would call the consumables. But let's have a look at what's in this. Now I had last year's planner and that was yummy, yummy, yummy. This year's I think is going to be even more special because I think Stampin' Up may have learnt a few things in the last year because last year was their first planner. So, oh, it's padded. It's gorgeous. Look at it. Isn't that? Oh, and it's got a little pen holder. Yay. Got a little pen holder there as well. Excuse me, I'm going to cough. I'm so excited I'm going to cough. So inside, oh, that's just the silica. Inside the planner we then have all the goodies, and I'm guessing this is basically what the refill kit would be. So let's stroke it a bit. Oh, and look, it's got, can you see it's got silver? So it's got silver bits on it as well. So it's a really lovely sort of calypso coral colour. So, in fact, the colours are basic grey, calypso coral, grey granite, petal pink, pineapple punch, and it coordinates with the Big Plans Memory and More card pack, which I have ordered but has not yet arrived. So, more fun videos to come. So let's open this up and have a look. Now obviously to put this together is going to take a while, so at the moment this video is basically going to be this is what it's got in it, and then I will put it together and show you how I've done that. So first things first, really pretty washi tape, and it's got little flowers on it. Let's open that up and have a proper look. That. So let's have a proper look at this. Where's the end? It must be here somewhere because I can see the little... Look! Oh, it's so pretty! Look at that! So pretty! I love washi tape in planners. Right, okay. There are instructions. So it tells you what your kit includes and how to put it together. So it says for the tips, because the planner does not have printed dates, you can start with any month. Assemble the planner before you begin writing dates. So that's always a good start. Assemble each month in order. Month divider pages by month page. Right, okay. So it has got information there. There's also a video about how to put this together, or certainly about this kit. So if you go to the Stampin' Up YouTube channel, you will find that too. But we'll have a lot more fun doing it our way. So So, okay, right, what have we got? So, oh, a pocket. In fact, a couple of pockets by the look of it. Oh, and they're double-sided pockets. Whoa, that's new. So those are double-sided pockets. Sticker sheets. Oh, and they're that lovely lightweight sticker that's not going to make your planner all bubbly. And you get 2 sheets of the florals. And, gosh, lots of stickers. 2 sheets of the Pineapple Punch and Calypso Coral. And you've got little shopping carts, birthday cakes, scissors, knives, forks and spoons and little stars, and then to-dos, remember, goals. So lovely. Same again in the petal pink and basic, oh no, grey granite. Grey granite, that is. So it's the same again, and again 2 sheets. Right, okay, so, whoops, let's put these so that they actually are the right way. Let's say that's that lovely kind of almost washy weight by the look of it. So I feel these want to go the other way up. Oh no, we've got 2 things here. I'm going to have to cough again. Right, so these are double-sided. So we've got Monday through Sunday with really pretty florals in the corner. So lots and lots of those. And oh, and on the other side there's, oh okay, so these are going to be different. So we've got different things here, so this is worth remembering. So we've got this wodge, which, oh no, those are different too by the look of it. Are they different? Yes, right, so we have lots of difference. So we've got this wodge, yep, which are all double-sided weekly pages, so a week to a view. So that's that wodge. So I'll pop those there. Then this wodge are Monday on one side, but they're the back of the month at a view, if I've got this right. So somewhere, so that's Thursday through Friday. So somewhere we're going to have, sorry, Thursday through Saturday. So somewhere we're going to have Sunday through Monday. Definitely sort this out before you start. These look like kind of just planner pages at the back. So, ooh, silver stickers. I'll try not to blind you with these, but silver stickers. So let's pop those with the sticker sheets. Aha. Right, so these, I think, no, yes, no, more planner pages. So more just bullet points. Somewhere, aha, here we go. Right, so on the back of your monthly dividers, you've got the other side. So this side is shiny. Oh, this is exciting. So this side is shiny and this side is matte. And this side goes with, let me find it again, not those. There. Right, so that goes with that. Punch the hole out. So yes. So that's how you get your monthly view. Whoa, love it! So we've got a different pattern on each of the months, and they've got these lovely tabs, and the tabs are shiny on both sides. So yes, different patterns on, well not all different, but they're not all the same, if you see what I mean. I think there may be 1 or 2 repeats, but I'll sort that out. And then we've got a notes page, which we didn't have before, so that's lovely. And a page lifter, which is shiny on one side and matte on the other. So there we go. And here's the thing. If my memory serves me, and I'm not making it up, they also fit the page protectors. So the, where have I got them? I thought I had page protectors out. Let me find some page protectors. I think I'm right in saying the page protectors for, yes, they're the same size. So you can put some memorabilia in just with the page pocket pack. So this is the Variety 6x8 pack. So it fits. Marvellous. Right, so this is obviously going to take a while to put together. So I'm going to stop filming now, and then probably tomorrow, or maybe in a couple of days when I've sorted this out, because I think it's going to take a while, I will come back and give you some tips on putting it together and show you what I've done. So do think about that. This would actually be, if you're looking at, I love this, if you're looking at running a business with your Stampin' Up supplies, this would actually be really good to put into your starter kit, because then you could start planning how you're going to run your classes, whether you're going to blog, do Facebook, that sort of thing would go very nicely in here. But you could use it for your family planning, so what your kids are up to, that sort of thing. So do remember, couple of things, real great promotions at the moment. There is that amazing stamp pad offer for joining up. So that's really, really great offer. So if you join my team in July, you not only get your normal £130 worth of product in your starter kit, you get to add a whole 10 ink pads from any one of the 5 colour families. So just choose whether you're a subtles or a brights kind of person, and then you can just add that bundle of ink pads, 10 ink pads, which are worth a minimum of £63. If you look at them individually, they're worth £70. So the starter kit for £99 delivered is going to have equivalent of about £200 worth of product in, if you sign up and join my team in July. Wait until August and it's gone, but in July. The other thing is the buy 3 get a 4th free designer series paper promotion. It's on selected designer series papers. All this information is on my website, as is the joining offer, but you just choose any 3 of the designer series papers on the list and put a 4th in. Now they can be 3 of the same or 4 of the same. We have had a few issues on the Demonstrator ordering system, where if you put say 3 Nature's Poem designer series paper and then put your 4th in to get your free item, it's not registering, so you may need to put them in as single items if you're doing multiples, if that makes sense. So if you want 3 Nature's Poems, you put in 3 separate Nature's Poems in order to get your 4th for free. It's just a little glitch. They may have sorted it by now, but just in case, if you wonder if you're having that problem, just bear that in mind, because that may resolve it. So really excited by this. I can't wait to get it going. So thank you very much indeed for joining me today. I know I've still got to do my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm kind of trying to sort out what that's going to be. It's probably going to be some retired but brand spanking new, as in still in wrapper product. So keep your eyes peeled for that. I'll get that sorted out in the next few days. It will probably involve things like sharing the video and that sort of stuff in order to enter. But thank you very much indeed for watching me, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.